Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Ethereum from Binance to your Arculus wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or have some experience. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Binance account with some Ethereum in it, and your Arculus wallet should be ready to receive funds. Arculus is a fantastic hardware wallet for keeping your crypto secure, so if you haven't got one, it's worth checking out. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in 2025's crypto landscape. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu. Select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your Ethereum is stored. Step 3. Find Ethereum in your wallet and click on Withdraw. You'll see a form pop up asking for the withdrawal details. Step 4. Enter your Arculus wallet address. This is super important. Double check it to avoid any costly mistakes. You can find your Arculus address in the wallet's app or interface. Step 5. Specify the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Step 6. Review everything carefully. Binance will show you a summary, including fees and estimated arrival time. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and complete any additional security steps, like email verification. After that, sit back and wait. Withdrawals to Arculus typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams, keep an eye on transaction fees, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Binance has great support resources. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Ethereum from Binance to your Arculus wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it'll keep your assets safe. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.